Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am doing this berry color using Kylie Jenner lip kit on both my eyes and my lips, so this should be fun. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. As you can see, I already have my face done, my blush, highlight, all that stuff. So if you want to see how I do my foundation routine, I'll link that up in the corner, and also I have a contour routine for you as well that I will link for you. You guys can watch those to learn how I did that. But let's go ahead and get started with the eyes. I'm going to be using my Morphe 35O palette for this, and I want to keep the eyeshadow pretty light because I have a vision for this look and the eyeliner is going to be the fun part. So I'm going to take this brown right here, and I am just putting this in my crease and then dragging it up to my brow bone, still leaving a little space in between my eyebrow and the shadow. And I'm just buffing this in. You can't sit there, baby. I need to film. Now I'm going to take this brown right here, and I'm concentrating this more into the crease, even dragging it in too. And then I also like to push it up into my brow bone a little bit right at the front. It helps your nose contour kind of go in and look really seamless. Now I'm going to darken it up just a little, and I'm going to take this brown right here. And I'm concentrating this color in the crease, but on the outer corner. And then I drag it down my lid too, because I'm trying to create a little bit of a smoky effect. Now I'm going to take that first brown color that we used with a smaller brush, and I'm going to smoke out the bottom waterline. Now taking the second color and doing the same thing. Now I'm taking that darkest brown, and I'm only smoking out the outer corner on the bottom lash line with this dark brown. Now I'm going to take this eye gloss by GLAZEN. Looks like this. It's like jelly. I'm taking a little bit on my brush, and I'm just placing that on the eyelid. So I think mine's drying out a little bit, and I think I just put on way too much on that one eye. It kind of burns a little bit. Going into the liner, I'm gonna use Kylie Lip Kits is the color Spice. This is really pretty berry color. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand and use a angled brush to create a wing. When I get towards the inner corner of my eye, I flip the brushes and I use this brush instead. It's a really small tip angled brush. You know, when I sit down and I have a vision of what I want, sometimes it doesn't always work out. I definitely want to try this look again without the gel top coat that I use. I like the color of it and how shiny it is, but it's like flaking off in chunks and messing with the eyeliner. It's just not working, so lesson learned. Now I'm feeling like I want a little of this purple on the bottom, so I'm just gonna smoke it out. Put it on my lid a little bit and then smoke it out. I'm going to take this color right here. I'm going to place that on my inner corner. Then I'm going to take my Wander Beauty eyeliner, put that on my bottom waterline. For lips, I'm going to use the same lip liner and lip stain. For those of you who haven't tried out the Kylie Jenner lip kits yet, I highly recommend them. They literally last all day, and even when you want them off, they still stay on. So they're amazing. You just have to make sure that you put the liner on first all over your lips before you put the top coat, because the top coat doesn't stick to your lips evenly unless the liner's on. So there'll be spots that are darker than others if you don't put the liner on first. I'm going to finish this look off with Lily lashes in the style Luxe. To blend those lashes in with mine, I'm going to use my Smashbox X-Rated mascara. Mostly just wiggle that at the base of my lashes. I don't want to get too much mascara in the fake lashes. That's what makes them last not as long. So you want to be careful with your fake lashes. Make sure you're cleaning them after every use and storing them back in the box that they came in. That's going to help the longevity of your lashes, and you'll have them longer. Alright guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope you guys learned something new. Don't forget to tag me in any post. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.